Yazi, I knew it was a bad idea for Hlati to sit in that family meeting where Lazarus disclosed his infertility because now he's using it against him, which led to Lazarus manhandling Hlati. Zoleka had to come between them and calm the situation. Tumeka finally stands up to Hlati and tells him that she will not raise Umntana kaZoleka while uZoleka is appeal, and she chose to help uZoleka and akhupha ama-secrets kaHlati about everything he did to stop Zoleka from getting i-custody kaQhawe. We finally get to meet ex-wife ka Lazarus, Lilian Gumede. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. So Uhlati is going on about Utumeka bringing up the past and ruining things. Utumeka is like, so very you really hired a lawyer eqoshiwe. You need to know, because even if you continue with this thing, yakhe custody, I'm not going to raise Umntana kaZoleka. There's no way I'm raising Umntana kaZoleka while Zoleka appeal. Let Zoleka raise Umntanakhe. Because we both know that this has nothing to do with Bavumile. You're just doing this to boost your ego. It's for you, nje. Revenge yakho nguzoleka has nothing to do with Bavumile. Uhlati insists ukuthi he's fighting for his baby, he's doing what a father should do. But Uhlumeka is like, you know what? I'm not going to raise Bavumile. You need to know that ukuthi angizomkhulisa la mntana. Uhlati is shocked ukuthi uthini now Tumeka athi ngive kahle, I'm not going to raise Bavumile. Uzoleka no Lazarus, they're exercising together and they're preparing to go to the AGI Summit panel meeting. Lazarus is a bit unsettled about going to meet Lilian. And Uzoleka was like, don't worry, I'll be there to calm the situation whenever she tries anything drastic. But Lazarus says, Lilian can exaggerate things, so just know that. And then they're busy preparing for a meeting a panel. Uhlati goes to their offices to insist on talking to them, demanding ukuthi he wants to see umntanakhe, I want to see my son. And then bathi how Uhlati, like they just try and tell him that it's not possible because Nyalo, they're busy dealing with the case and all that, and this is not the time and the place. Auntie, when I interfering nama visiting right wami, and you need to know ukuthi I can do a lot, like busy threatening them, saying that he will take if isn't or even goes personal, mentioning infertility ka Lazarus, saying that Lazarus better speak to Zoleka or else if infertility might come up in court. Lazarus lost it. Wavela umcukula uHlati wambeka ebondeni, was like, what did you say? Just repeat what you said. uHlati angasavuyanga, saying, please hit me ndibethe kwedini, so that if Lazarus hits him, then he's gonna add a case assault in his case, which is gonna give him like a better chance, because now so assault you for wanting custody of his son. So he tells them, if you guys continue like this, I'm gonna take Ubavumile, and Uzoleka won't even have visitation rights. I have a threatening Uhlati. Yo. And then Uzoleka no Lazarus, they at the AGI Summit panel meeting thingy. Then they start thinking, you know what, Uhlati is actually like doing too much now. We need to find this Shezi guy so that we can like move quickly and get him to settle down, because and then Lazarus suggests that Zoleka must talk to Tumeka. Tumeka knows everything. She must talk to Tumeka and get as much information as she can about everything that Hlati did to stop Uzoleka from getting custody of kaQhawe, all the bribes and everything that he was doing. Uzoleka doesn't want to involve Tumeka, saying that I don't want to involve Tumeka. But Ula's like, no what, Usis Wakolo, your cousin is not innocent, so just try and get information from her. And then Zoleka decides to call Utumeka, and Utumeka is with Thandeka, going on about how Hlati is using her, and that how did she not notice Hlati only wanted a baby because befuna usetlisha isikolo noZoleka. The minute he heard Zoleka was pregnant with another man's child, he also wanted to settle that score so that he can feel like indoor. It was never about her. And she says that this is not the wife I wanted to be. I'm not enjoying any of this thing at all. She gets a call from Zoleka there. Zoleka asking to meet with her because there's something important that she'd like to discuss with her, and ask her to come to the office because she doesn't want to come to the house in case he bumps into Hlati. She will come and so they can meet face to face. And then ex-wife ka Lazarus comes, Lilian Gumede. She shows up, paying so much attention to Zoleka, saying, hey, Zoleka Pikicha, I finally get to see you with my own eyes. And they greet each other. there seemed to be bad blood between her and Lazarus. It's like they didn't part on good terms. They greet each other. Lazarus did not even give her a chance to say anything to her. He got a phone call and moved away. And then Lilian says to Zweleka, because remember, Lilian at some point was actually headhunting Zweleka, saying that she wants to offer Zweleka a job at her company. Uzoleka refused, and then she says, you should have taken that opportunity because Khosela is going down. And Uzoleka was like, never, Khosela will never go down. Ati, trust me, with Lazarus in the front, it's definitely going down. Because Lazarus, you'll always come second, like, you always come second with Lazarus, implying that it means in a marriage, you always come second with Lazarus, because Lazarus was always focused on angazi mhlambe business, or he just didn't love her enough. Because when it comes to Zweleka, Lazarus would move anything. He would do anything to make Zweleka happy. He puts that woman first in everything. So girl, just because it happened to her, she thinks Zweleka is going through the same thing. And being the lady that she is, Zweleka did not even try and correct her or try and gloat about the way Lazarus is treating her. And then she meets up again with Thumeka. Thumeka comes to her office, and Zweleka starts telling her, this case is about to get ugly. And the sad thing is that not only Hlathi is going to go down for this, because you're with him during the time everything was happening, you're an accomplice, and you and the kids will also get affected. Because so now I need your help, like everything that you know about Hlathi bribing the family court, everything. I need you to at least I can speak to my lawyers and make sure that they are lenient with you and you don't have to go down with Hlathi. And then Thumeka's like, now she's panicking because obviously she was with Hlathi all the time. And she's panicking, saying that, yes, I want Hlathi. I told Hlathi not to stop fighting and let you raise Uba Vumile and Lazarus together. Uzoleka even tells her, I don't even want Hlathi anywhere near me. We just want to raise Uba Vumile alone without Hlathi. Thumeka says, agrees with uzomsiza, but she's worried that she'll be sending Umyenwakhe in prison. The way we want to do it, we don't want to send anyone in prison. We just want to get all the information so that we can intimidate Hlathi to stop onke lo mbhanqa wenzayo and leave us alone so we can just live our lives. Thumeka avume ukuthi fine, uzomsiza Zweleka and tell her everything that she needs to know. Thumeka she's home. Hlathi is busy making small talk. You can sense ukuthi there's tension in the house. Thumeka, and then she assumes ukuthi Thumeka is still mad from the argument enzeke ekuseni. Kanti Thumeka is obviously thinking about the conversation yakhe noZweleka and everything that she's been feeding uZweleka, knowing that now she's going against Hlathi. Then Hlathi decides to apologize to her family because even his kids are there. Apologizes, telling uLikamba ukuthi he'll always be his first son and uyabathanda, ubavumile is just their little brother and all that. Asakhuluma ke angene uZweleka no Lazarus. But how nenzantoni apa? What are you guys doing here? But please excuse us, we want to talk to your parents. Bahambe uLikamba no Yanga. And then Lazarus then starts speaking, telling Hlathi ukuthi uMongezi Shezi, we know that you met with him. The clerk yase family court, we know that you met with him in 3 shots, and to make sure that uZweleka does not get custody kaQhawekazi, and you bribed him. Usakhumbula yini? Do you still remember that? Thumeka was scared when they walked in, but then realized ukuthi abazochisa yena apha, they're just here for Hlathi. Hlathi was shocked because he did not expect this. He did not expect anyone to know about this. I remember even when Hlengiwe asked him, is there anything that he can use against you? He said no. He definitely forget. I mean, this was 20 years ago. And then uChawe is busy going after Onga about her pitch and stuff. Tries to convince Onga ukuthi it's not like she grew up with a silver spoon in her mouth. Onga then says, yeah, I thought so at first, but then I heard ukuthi uZweleka did not raise you. But then it means ukuthi la attitude onayo uqale develop manje when you started working here, because you only got in here because your mom is the CEO yalapha. And so it means now you only got the CIO position because of Lazarus. Uonga was not happy about that and said that I will excuse the disrespect and just call it passion. Uonga seems to get to Qhawe a lot. Even uLikamba is noticing, saying, why does this man get to you so much that you're even trying to impress him? Qhawe went all the way to Cosmo just to get that Kasi vibe, because Uonga called her a snob, so she wants to get it back so that Angafili is such a snobbish person. Onga's like, hi man, you like this guy, there's no way. Qhawe refuses. And they're celebrating umngani wakhe uQhawe uZethu. She got promoted to a manager, a pilot. And uLikamba seems to be liking uZethu. They might end up dating. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.